In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Miro to set up a Kanban framework for your project management needs. We'll go through the steps needed to get you started, and by the end, you'll be equipped to customize your own Kanban board. Let's dive right in, shall we? First, start by navigating to the Miro login page. This can easily be done by visiting Miro's website. Once there, click on Sign In. If you're already familiar with Miro and have an account, you know the drill. But if this is your first time, don't worry, it's simple and straightforward. Now, to access your account, you'll want to click on Continue with Email. This method is quick and removes the need to remember yet another password. Simply enter the email associated with your Miro account. Easy, right? Once you've successfully signed into your account, you'll find yourself on the Miro dashboard. It's a hub of creativity and collaboration. From here, you'll want to steer your attention towards the Explore Templates button. This is where the magic begins. Miro offers a plethora of templates tailored for various uses, but today, we'll focus on finding the Kanban framework. Enter Kanban framework into the search bar and watch as Miro presents you with options specifically designed to streamline your project management process. Kanban is all about visualizing the workflow, enhancing efficiency, and making that work truly count. So this framework is invaluable for teams looking to organize tasks and projects methodically. After selecting a Kanban template that suits your needs, you can start editing and adjusting it. This part is essential as it allows you to tailor the board to match your specific project requirements. Perhaps you need to add extra columns to signify different stages of your workflow or change color codes to better signify task importance. Miro lets you do it all. The drag and drop nature of Miro makes these adjustments straightforward, ensuring that your board reflects your process and helps your team engage more effectively. Remember, no two projects are precisely the same, so don't hesitate to customize thoroughly. Take some time to explore different modifications and see what aligns best with your team's objectives. The beauty of Miro is its flexibility, which really lets you and your team adapt it fit your specific processes. And that wraps up our guide. By setting up your own fully customized Kanban board in Miro, you're now well on your way to achieving a more organized and visually streamlined project management experience. So, log in, dive in, and start organizing like a pro. Thanks for tuning in today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on maximizing your productivity tools.